stare at you for acting weird, then I don't want them to think we're a couple. Oh. I keep thinking this is Sayori talking. I keep not reading the fucking... Hang on. My brain is still asleep. I need to wake up my brain. Give me 1 second. Give me a second so I can wake up my brain. Okay. My brain is probably fine now. What? Yay! Why do I let myself get lectured by such a carefree girl? Because she's cute and wise and we love her in this house! Wait, she's so cute. Oh my fucking god! I'm so happy already. Oh my god, the girls are so cute. I can't function. I'm a simp. Girls. They're so cute. Oh my god. And it sounds like you already know Monica, is that right? That's right. It's great to see you again, Ria. Monica smiles sweetly. Oh my god, she's so... Oh, she's so cute. Help. Help me. Help me. Help me. She's so cute. I feel like I'm being stabbed. This is really good. Thank you, Natsuki. Why are you thanking me? It's not like I... Haven't I heard this somewhere before? Made them for you or anything. I love her. I love her. Wait, I love her. Oh my god, she's so classic tune. I love it. I love her. Well, that can change. What am I saying? I spoke without thinking after seeing Yuri's sad smile. I am a simp! Then, I really can't put it down. Surreal horror is often very successful at changing the way you look at the world, if only for a brief moment. Ugh, I hate horror. Oh, why is that? Well, I just... Natsuki's eyes dart over to me for a split second. Never mind. That's right, you usually like to write about cute things, don't you, Natsuki? She's so baby. Sorry, I passed away for a second. I can't. Oh my god, my heart is like beating so fast because I love girls so much. Holy shit, they're so cute. Help me! I can't. To Yuri? Maybe if you share some of your work, you can set an example and help Natsuki feel comfortable enough to share hers. Oh my god! Her expression! Look at this expression! Oh my god! Oh, she's... Oh my god. Oh, I love you. To her bag and pulls out a book. I didn't want you to feel left out, so I picked out a book I thought you might enjoy. It's a short read, so it should keep your attention even if you don't usually read. And we could, you know, discuss it if you want. She's so cute! I am a simp! Wait, she's so fucking cute. Holy shit, help me. Oh my god. Sorry for being late, I was making mac and cheese. I hope you enjoy. Of course I'll discuss it with you, Yuri. Oh my god, she has a present for me. Oh my god. Closet. She then takes a seat against the wall between the windowsills. She pats on the ground next to her, signaling me to sit there. Wouldn't chairs be more comfortable? I take my seat. Chairs wouldn't work. We can't read at the same time like that. Why is that? I guess it's easier to be close together like that. Oh my god, we're gonna read the manga together. It's a dream date. It's a dream date. That's it. It's over. This is all I've ever wanted. I'm dying. Thank you forever. I love her. Still, of all the hobbies to pick up from a manga, that's definitely one of the better ones. Not to mention she's really good at it, so who am I to judge? Oh my god! stop it right now. Oh, stop it right now. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, stop it. Thank you for my boss. Hello, you're adorable. I hope you have a great time. Thanks, Hero. I appreciate it. Look at her. She's so baby. Hi, Ria. You're 100% that's cute. Shut up. Oh my god, we got a CG already. She's so precious. Look at her. Oh my god, she's so cute. Help me, my heart. Oh, I love her. Wait, so? Jeez, that's enough. Are you gonna keep reading or what? Yeah. I flipped the page. Suddenly, Natsuki starts laughing. Oh, she's so cute. Help me. Oh my god. Oh my god, she's so cute. Oh, what am I supposed to do? I can't function. I can't. She's so fucking cute. She's so cute. Help me. I can't. She's so baby. She has the little thing. What the fuck? Bro. This is not okay. Like, I'm actually just... I can't. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I can't. She's so cute. She's so baby. She's so baby. Look at the fang, and look at her expression, and look at the way she... I'm sorry. I can't. I just can't. I just... Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay. We gotta keep going. I can't.